Whatever, here, welcome to another video, and, you remember, many months back, it was one of the first videos I ever posted on the show. It might have been, I don't know, like the second or third, possibly fourth or fifth. Yeah, it was one of my first three to five videos, I made on this channel, and, yeah, I made a video called, will you press the button, or would you, I don't know. So, today, we're gonna answer, this is gonna be like, I don't know, part 2, because I only did part 1. So you have the best computer in the world, but you have to use Internet Explorer. You know what? I've used Internet Explorer. I hear it's slow. I hear it's unreliable. But I've had to use Internet Explorer before. I've actually had zero problems with it. So I'm gonna push the button. 68% of people pressed this button. 32% did not. Okay. I thought so. Although, to be honest, I'd rather use Google Chrome. You can, oops. So that's why I don't use the default camera, because every time it switches out, I need it. No! Get out of here. There's an ad every time it pops up. Right. Okay, so here I have the normal. I have the app. Camera app, not the default camera for face cam. Okay. You got like a light on or something? Here, I'll be right back. Oh man. Ow. Is that any better? I hope that's better. Right. You guys like that impressive roll flip there? Alright. So we're gonna do the next question. You can switch your gender anytime, instantaneously, but it is very painful to do so. Number 1, why would I want to switch my gender? Number 2, I don't want to feel pain doing that, so no, I will not press the button. Everyone's gonna be like, well, why didn't you press the button? Oh, jeez. 39% did not press the button. I know why 61% of people want to switch. You don't need to sleep ever again, but you only have one ear and one eye. Never to sleep again, but you only have one ear and one eye. What? I'm gonna push it. Because I honestly have no idea. Push button. Okay. That was a bizarre one. Alright. You can have anything you want with the snap your fingers, but the entire right side of your body receives second degree burns and nothing. Not even your ability to hide. Not even your ability can hide or remove the scars. What? Well, I can't snap my fingers, so nope. 51% push the button. You guys want to hurt yourselves. Oh my gosh. Let's see it. I was pretty split. 51 said yes. 49 said, get me out of here. You gain the ability to draw extremely well, but only you can see your own drawings. I can't draw well at all. I tried drawing I think it was a dog. It was either a dog or a horse. No, it was a horse, and it looked like a Minecraft dog that got run over by a steamroller. It was that bad. Oh yeah, I'm on the. More people pushed the button than didn't. Woo! I'm one of those people. You become part of your favorite book, video game, or movie, but you're stuck there forever? You're the antagonist. I'm definitely pushing the button. Yeah. 69 to 31. And like Mario for example. I would love to be Bowser. I'd be some weird turtle thing that shoots fire. Unfortunately, though, I get dumped in lava, so that's a bit of a downside. Ooh, I do like Mega Man. It's not my favorite, but I do like it. Think about it. The main antagonist of Mega Man is Dr. Wily. No matter how many times you beat him in all the Mega Man games, he still lives. So yeah, I'd live forever. You would have the power to turn invisible, but you would have your first child when you are 12 years old. Did I just say that? Did I just read that? Oh. Some of these just don't make any sense. I mean, no sense at all. No, I will not. I guess many people want childbirth while they're still children. You gain the ability to read minds, but every time you read minds, you make a ridiculous face. Push. Yeah. 86 to 14. Alright. A major video game company decides to make a new game with you as the main character, paying you a small fortune for the rights to use your likeness. But the game is even more boring and annoying than your everyday life. What's more, your contract with the company requires you to play a televised 13-hour marathon of the game once a month for 5 years as promotional material. Whoa, that is a lot to take in. Not only was there a lot to read, there's also a lot to think about. I have to pick wisely. Am I falling? Oh, you guys remember I did the Pac-Man video over here, my corner. The ad came up. Oh, oh, that horrified me. It was just nice and peaceful music too. Played in the back. All of a sudden, I'm going like. What did I think about? I think I was wearing the same sweatshirt that day. That's weird. Whew, okay. I'm gonna push. Everyone's probably gonna. Ooh. So everyone's like, screw that. I ain't doing that. You can turn invisible at will, but your invisibility is unpredictable, which means you can stay invisible for 3 seconds or 5 years. Push. You guys suck. Man, everyone's like not pushing the button. You'll be able to watch every movie, TV show ever in 1080p or higher. Extreme lag. The audio will be 2 seconds out of sync with the video. 2 seconds is not bad. What? What? What's the difference? Well, that was kind of stupid. Yeah, I suppose there is a difference with like stuff, or I don't freaking know. It was like the audio is just, but that's not too big of a problem, unless I'm just like. That's even it'll be very noticeable, but is it really something not worth pushing the button over? I mean, seriously, think about this for a second. 2 seconds. I don't even know. If you're watching a video, it's super high quality. You'd want to watch the video, right? Yeah. You'd want to watch the video. Like 2 seconds of the sync. What's the difference? You'll know what the character says. Music doesn't really make much of a difference. That's audio, but I don't understand the deal here. I am great. You people are just. I don't even know. Let's go to the next question. All typos in the internet are prevented and or corrected. Oh dear. But you can't feel your fingertips when you type. That is one of the dumbest questions I've ever heard, and like this is one of the dumbest things I've ever like. All typos in the internet are prevented and are corrected. You can't feel your fingertips when you type. Like, I'm gonna push the button. Yeah. That is. That's a bizarre question. You will get unlimited wishes, but every time you make a wish, someone you love dies. See, someone you love dies. Well, nobody loves me, so. Oh. Okay then. Oh. This got dark real fast. I don't love anyone. Nobody loves me. Oh, I love making fun of myself. Your religion of choice becomes a reality whether or not it was to begin with. What? When you die, nothing happens to you and you just rot in your grave while everyone else gets to experience the afterlife you made. Well, I haven't died yet, obviously, but don't you just normally rot in your grave anyway? I'm a push. I'm a push and immediately regret my decision. Alright. We're new. This is gonna be the last question. You can freeze time whenever and wherever you want. Whilst time is frozen, you can freely move and you manipulate people and objects. But time will start moving again between 30 seconds to 5 minutes of the initial freeze. Afterwards, you have a cooldown period equal to the number of seconds times 50. I will not. I'm stupid. Alright. That was the last one. 15 minutes. 16 and a half minutes. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to end this here. Because this video dragged on way too long. I didn't even realize of it. This is fun. Like, I'm gonna sit up before I fall asleep. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this, like the string of videos. Hey, but there's gonna be a twist. I'm gonna try and like edit the video. Like I have an app, so before I upload, I'm gonna edit it and then hopefully upload the edited version. So yeah, hope guys. I hope you guys enjoy this. This is really games like this where you have to like make decisions are extremely fun. I really love them. But yeah, this has been Nightmare 1307 playing Will You Press the Button? A great game, and really gets you thinking. I love games like that. And if you don't make the right decision, well, too bad for you. Have a nice day. I'll see you next time.